In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact to your Microsoft Outlook address book. This simple process will make it easier for you to organize and reach out to your network. Whether you're managing your personal connections or professional relationships, keeping a well-organized contact list is essential. So let's dive right in. You'll first want to open up your Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once it's loaded, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see various icons for different applications, mail, calendar, and tasks. But we are interested in the icon labeled People. Selecting People will redirect you to the section where all your contacts reside, and this is where we'll be adding a new friend or colleague. Now that you've clicked on People, you'll find yourself looking at your current list of contacts. Fear not if it looks a bit sparse or cluttered, because that's entirely okay. We're going to learn how to add someone new. Look for the button marked New Contact. It's usually displayed prominently so you can't miss it. Click on it and a window will open, inviting you to input the details of your new contact. Once the New Contact window is open, you can enter all the pertinent information for your new contact. Here's a pro tip. Fill out as much information as possible. You might start with the basics like the contact's first and last name, email address, and phone number. But don't stop there. You can also add additional details such as the person's job title, the company they work for, their physical address, and any other notes that might be helpful for you in the future. Having this complete information will make it easier to recall who this person is when you look back at your contact list later on. After you've input all the necessary information, take a quick moment to double check for any spelling errors or inaccuracies. It's so much easier to fix these things now than to realize later that you have the wrong email address for someone you need to connect with. Once you are sure that everything looks good, go ahead and save the contact. Typically, this can be done by clicking a button that says Save or Done within that same window. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new contact to your Outlook address book. And that's it, a simple yet powerful task completed in no time at all. By organizing your contacts effectively, you're setting yourself up for success, both in your personal interactions and professional communications. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made your Outlook experience a little bit smoother and your days a bit brighter. Until next time.